Well, Aurobindo Pharma will also be interesting. So Ekta very helpfully, told us about how there are bulls and bears on the street. So just wanted to get Aurobindo up for you. The bulls are really BoFA Securities and Goldman Sachs. So keep an eye out on that. BoFA Securities actually has a target price of 13.50 on the stock. Goldman Sachs has a target price of 13.25. On the bearish side, you have CLSA that has downgraded the stock to an Outperform. They have a target price, there you have it, target price of 13.20 on the stock. Now, the bulls, of course, are talking about how the numbers have been quite good, better than expected quarter with 22% margins, and there is a guidance of 21 to 22% margins, and that is pretty much what will drive the upgrade. So that's the bullish view on the stock. Goldman Sachs, in fact, also talks about how there is a further margin expansion on the cards, and the momentum in the US market is picking up quite a bit. So that is why there will be decent growth in FY25. There's good growth for Eugia and the Revlimid generic, right? That's worked very well for them. That ramp up is also positive. But on the bearish side, CLSA has downgraded, as we just told you. They talk about how there is a potential to delay the launch for Eugia, so that is slightly makes them a bit cautious. And they say that yes, there is margin expansion, but that could be the peak. It could be peak margins now for the company, so that is a little bit of a cautious view. So there's a bull and there's a bear on Aurobindo Pharma.
Absolutely, but for Aurobindo, the fact remains that they've got some of the largest capacities in the US, right? I mean, and if there's going to be a shortage at some level in some of the drugs, I mean, Aurobindo, of course, in that sense is best placed. Stock is at about 12.15 in the pre-open, so it's higher, about 1.5% Yesterday, of course, it started up and then finally ended lower by about 1.5%, actually even a little more.